Good morning, everyone. My name is JJ Childress. I'm the Community Engagement Manager for TechSpark's Microsoft program, and thank you for joining us on this third demo day for the third cohort of the Bridge Accelerator. We've got an exciting program planned ahead of us. 2020 has definitely been a year for the books. All of our businesses have had to adjust to new ways of doing work. The Bridge Accelerator itself is no different. We've seen new transformations in the way our participants learn, connect, and build companies for tomorrow. These past months have been difficult, but they've also elevated our region's importance in the global supply chain and have brought new waves of investment. The new USMCA TMEC agreement went into effect July 1st of this year, and this creates new incentives for supply chains to invest in North America and in our region. COVID-19 has also exposed the fragility of single source supply chains, and now companies all over the world are looking at building resilient and diversified supply chains in our hemisphere. Our geography will be key in landing new economic development opportunities, but it is not enough. Regions are not only competing based on traditional assets of location, public incentive agreements, and infrastructure, they are being evaluated on the robustness of their innovation ecosystems and their talent supply. The Bridge Accelerator is a key program in supporting that ecosystem and empowering business talent. The Bridge Accelerator is connecting suppliers with investors and purchasers and building an innovation community of practice and a connected network of like-minded founders. Thank you to all of the sponsors, partners, and participants that continue to support this effort. Each and every one of you are key in ensuring that our region does reach its potential to be a globally relevant community and take advantage of the promises that trade between the United States and Mexico and our key geographic location have to play. I'd like to welcome a key partner who's been doing work in this space really for several years and has been a big advocate and supporter of the Bridge Accelerator. Please join me in welcome Alvaro Bustillos from Desarrollo Económico.
Thank you, JJ. Well, it's my honor to be part of this event. For us, it has become one of our key tractor programs in Ciudad Juarez and the region. We're very excited for this year's event and participating as a sponsor in it. I think it's been one of the biggest detonators of our model and where we need to focus and put a lot of our energy here in this program. Since we think for our regions to change, we need to integrate more of these small and medium companies to participate in the value chain of the companies that export and transform products here in our region. So that's why we are a big supporter, and because we think it'll detonate very strongly into our region. I want to thank you for letting us be part of this. And thank you to all the sponsors that are involved on this program. To have Microsoft, to have the Technology Hub and other organizations participate, it's a very unique collaboration that we have as a binational community. Thank you to everybody, and that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Alvaro. My next guest and presenter here is somebody who's had their hands cut out and working out for him over the past 12 weeks. It's been a big shift in pulling all of this together, launching a new online community, an investor portal, and really transforming the work the way and setting up the program, the Bridge Accelerator, to be successful over the coming years. The director of the Bridge Accelerator, Orman Millan.
Thank you very much, JJ. Thank you very much. Yeah, we truly want to thank our sponsors that made possible this program. I would like to thank Microsoft under the TechSpark initiative, Technology Hub and Pioneers 21, TECMA, City of El Paso, and the Secretaría of Innovación and Desarrollo Económico of the state of Chihuahua, CEISA, Transtelco, Hunt, Fix Arrowhead Center, the Westar Bank, High Desert Capital, CIDER, Fidiapech, Municipio de Juárez, Desarrollo Económico, the Borderplex Alliance, Desarrollo Económico AC, Detroit Axel, la Fundación Axel AC, Novamex, Workforce Solutions, and also Canacinta, Chihuahua. Thank you very much, all of you, because you are making possible this program with these companies. Also, we want to also say thank you to our industry allies and also the judges of today's pitches. There is Jesus Villalobos from Harman, Arturo Juárez from Autocabel, Sergio Saavedra from CEISA, Javier Nogués from Adient, and Miguel Quiñones from Ale. All of them also help us during the development of the program to have a conference and also to provide all the people the hints, the tips, and the knowledge about what their companies are doing with the demand and what the companies are doing for the future. Also, today, after the demo day finish, the third cohort will take the opportunity to discuss with leaders of the region. We will have Miguel Fernandez, CEO from Transtelco, Alan Rossells, CEO from TECMA, Julio Chu, the CEO from CEISA Medical, Ed Escudero and Carlos Tovar, CEO and CFO from High Desert Capital, Dina Mushenish and Jacobo Dadub, the President and Business Development of Detroit Axel, Eduardo Rodriguez, CEO from La Nogalera, Jesse Carrera, Director of Economic Development, City of El Paso, Emma Schwartz, CEO from MCA, the Medical Center of the Americas, Matt Kitts, CEO of the Kitts Southwest Manufacturing, Matt Adamczyk, Technology in Residence from Titletown Tech, and Carlos Murguía and Hector Palacios, Venture Capitalists from RexMed. Thank you very much, all of you, that you will have that interview with our third cohort. Also, I would like to thank very much our instructors, the people from the field that there is helping all these companies to develop their own value proposition. I would like to thank Erika Don Juan, Rodolfo Vázquez, Martín Quechichan, David Andujo, Ra Costa, Omar Monroy, Sergio Alaniz, and Ricardo Mora. Thank you very much, all of you, for all to share your experience and your knowledge. And this time, 11 companies for a total of 32 we have in the portfolio. This third cohort under the pandemic, we need to adapt the courses, the material, and incorporate a new digital platform with digital tools to collaborate and to meet each other. I would like to show you about what is the look and feel of this platform. If I am sharing properly. Okay, you can check the platform in the Bridge community /minus.com and here, the Bridge community. Here, you can check it, the Bridge community.com, and here we have the information for each of the companies presenting today, the 22 companies. We are presenting in the first page the third cohort, and then you can find also companies from the first and the second cohort and to identify the value proposition. We also, with this platform, we provide all the courses for this program, and we provide also some tools, digital tools, in order to continue and to improve their operations and the value proposition. Then I would like to invite you to continue and to hear all the pitches from this generation and the first and second that there is also with us. And let's start the business. Let's do it right now. Thank you very much, and continue checking in and continue communicating with our companies. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Carlos Martinez Vela. I'm Executive Director of Pioneers 21 in El Paso, and we have been delighted to be a partner of Technology Hub with the Bridge Accelerator over the last 3 cohorts. So we now enter the exciting part of this after all the introductions with Orman and JJ and Alvaro. Thank you all for being here. We are going to start the 3-minute pitches from the participating companies in the 3rd cohort of the Bridge Accelerator. Just so you know, in the Q&A section of Teams, you will find the link where you can learn more about each company and actually get in touch with them directly. Orman just showed you the platform for it. When you go there, you will be able to get in touch and learn more about each company. At this point, we are getting started with the first pitch. Please welcome Ivan Reyes from Monarch. Ivan, ready to start?
Ready, willing, and able. Much like the monarch butterfly, Monarch Information Systems rose to flight over a quarter-century ago. My name is Ivan Reyes. I'm the regional manager for the U.S.-Mexico border operations, and I will be guiding you through Monarch Information Systems' current capabilities. For our customers, one of the key pain points is having a single point of contact servicing their technology needs independently of where these needs might be geographically. Monarch Information Systems, through its network of strategically placed offices in the U.S., Mexico, and Central America, has helped our customers tackle projects in 4 of the 5 continents. Our Northern Mexico operation has become highly efficient and proficient when servicing the manufacturing industry, be it in the automotive, aerospace, healthcare, or contract manufacturing. For these customers, our strength lies in tackling 4 key areas: the physical infrastructure, Industry 4.0 projects, content management, and enterprise network solutions. For Monarch Information Systems, it is crucial that we're completely certified in all the solutions that we proposed. Here you see an example of the highest levels of certifications that we hold within Panduit and Cisco. The combination of these 2 brands helps us tackle the projects of infrastructure and network infrastructure. This combination also helps us to be the only partners within Mexico to be able to execute 4.0 connectivity projects in the production floor. What you're seeing now is just a glimpse of the type of customers that have allowed Monarch to be part of their success stories. And we are certain that we can help you achieve your next success stories. We are Monarch Information Systems. Thank you.
Thank you, Ivan, from Monarch. We now continue with Ricardo Estrada from PID Electronics. We're just waiting for the screen to come online. Ready, Ricardo.
Okay. Is it on? Can you listen? Okay, so hi, my name is Ricardo Estrada. I'm the CEO of PID Electronics, and today I'm here to talk about one of our products, Kini. Did you know that the manufacturing industry loses about $650 billion every year just to downtime costs? If you're in the manufacturing world, I'm pretty sure you already heard of this. I'm certain that you have some effort. See?
I'm sorry, just a second. Could you please share your screen?
Yep, I did.
We cannot see it.
Oh.
Don't worry, we can.
Can you see it? No.
Yes.
Okay. Sorry for the hiccup. Can I start over? Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay. So here it goes again. My name is Ricardo Estrada. I'm the CEO of PID Electronics, and today I'm going to talk about one of our products, Kini. Thank you for listening. If you're in the, did you know that the manufacturing industry loses about $650 billion every year due to downtime? If you're in the manufacturing world, I'm pretty sure you already know this. I'm pretty sure you have some efforts trying to reduce this. In my 5 years as a lean consultant, I've been working with many factories all over Mexico, and I've usually seen they have the same problems. The first one is that they're trying to use obsolete tools, trying to detect downtimes. Usually you can see these kind of boards. And the problem here is the data is not always reliable. It's not trustworthy. It says information, but it doesn't say where your downtime is going. Another thing I see very often is that they always use spreadsheets. In this way, this data is not always available and is not always compatible. So usually what the engineers do is they have to collect data from various sources. They have to get it from paper, from spreadsheets, or some other ERPs. So they can dump it here, so they can concentrate all the information, so they can make a plan on how to reduce the information, but they're not certain that the information is trustworthy. And the third problem is that they already know this. They already know they have this problem. They already know they have to migrate to something digital, but they don't want any more problems. They don't want to make the wrong decision because it's not their field. It can be overwhelming. So what they do is they just keep waiting, see what else happens. That's why we created Kini. Kini is a smart manufacturer IoT solution that helps us detect, catalog, and track all times of all automatically all forms of downtimes. And because Kini is based on lean manufacturing principles, then we can take all that information and turn it into KPIs so you know where the downtime is going and how to address it. And because so that way we can turn something like this into this. We can make your factory a visual factory. And because we can customize our solution to your specific need, we can grab any machine you have, connect it, extract all the information, know the behavior, so we can link then to your ERP and make all the dashboards you need to start reducing downtime drastically. What this means for you is that we're not just selling equipment, we're selling solution. What we do is we work with your team, we go to your factory, we make a blueprint of your process, then we can customize our software and hardware so we can read any machine you want, so we can read a proof of concept so you can validate how much savings you're making. So when you feel safe and you see results, you can scale with ease. In summary, pretty much what you can expect from us is savings over $250,000 every year from each machine we're monitoring. We have a return of investment on 3 months, and we're very fast to implement. These are some of the clients that have very trust on our systems. And this is our team. This is PID Electronics. We are passionate about technology, and we're passionate about lean manufacturing practices. We have 7 years in business, and we're ready to take it to the next level. So get on board. We're looking for clients and customers in Juarez and El Paso area. So if you have any project that is going to be about Industry 4.0, you're trying to make systems speak to each other, or you want to make a project about paper to glass, then please contact me. I'm pretty sure we can help you get there. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ricardo from PID Electronics. And just a reminder for everyone who's attending that in the Q&A section, you can find the link to contact and learn more about each of the companies. Our next presenter is Alejandro Guerra from Bellum Products and Services. Alejandro, you can share your screen now. The presentation too.
Okay, see my screen?
Yep, you can put it in full presentation mode and yes. Ready to start.
Okay, great. I have a question for you. Is the purchasing process a headache in your company? Shouldn't the purchasing process be as simple as ordering parts online and receiving them in your hands? Good morning, my name is Alex Guerra and we are Bellum Products and Services. We're a company that distributes MRO supplies, which stands for Maintenance, Repair, and Operations. We commercialize a wide variety of products, such as safety equipment, electronics, consumables, among many others. Some of the problems we have found in the industry include delivery issues, such as loss of goods in the receiving department, lack of effectivity in the supply base, and high operations costs that can be caused by late but also early deliveries. At Bellum, we offer tailor-made logistics services to ensure the proper delivery of our products. For example, currently we work with customers whose high-value orders require hand-to-hand delivery. These customers were losing thousands of dollars before working with us due to the loss of goods. We can help you simplify the procurement process in your organization. Usually, these departments receive hundreds of quotes per day. Our team is highly qualified to receive these quotes, process them, and give you the best solution. Also, we can help you reduce in-house inventory, working with you as an external toolkit. A study showed that companies spend between 14 and 30% of their revenue in MRO goods and services. Also, this study showed that 94 multinational companies spend $100 billion in 1 year in MRO supplies. Our features make us stand out from our competitors. Big name companies will send you a huge catalog with thousands of products in them, but their support will stop when you ask them for a part that is not included in their catalog. We are not married to any specific brand or product. We will provide the best solution that fits your requirements. We have a 24/7 assistance and delivery system, and we will happily take your call anytime or any day of the week. We work with you by giving you flexible credit solutions, giving you twice as much time to pay your credits compared to our competitors. Our headquarters are located in the city of Chihuahua, and we have operations at Saltillo, Ciudad Juárez, and Monterrey. We are proud to say that some of our competitors include Keyence, Textron, CIMAB, among many others. We're looking for customers in need of procurement and logistics services. At Bellum, our commitment is with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Alejandro, Bellum Products and Services. Now we continue with Cesar Rodriguez from Kixa. And as soon as you share your screen, Cesar, we will be ready to get started.
Thanks. It's just, Nicolas is also my last name.
Oh, Cesar Nicolas. Very good. All right.
Hola, my name is Cesar Nicolas. I'm Kixa Operations Manager. We are a security systems integrator. We are specialized in access control, fire systems, and video surveillance systems as well. We monitor and work throughout all the phases of a project, including engineering and design, installation, and providing maintenance services. How our solutions could help you and which are the main challenges we are tackling. Our aim is to protect our customers' assets via our portfolio and personnel via our portfolio of safety and security solutions. We could help you to comply with international and national standards. For example, for fire, we could talk about NFPA or NOM 002. We could also propose you suite-based solutions for video surveillance and access control systems that comply with CTPAT OEA requirements. This would ease your process in moving goods between the Mexico and US border. We are also specialized in home and building automation, building management systems, and facet solutions with aluminum composite panel. Then, if you have in mind a new facility project, expanding your current facilities, changes in your layout, upgrading your existing technology, or simply you are looking for a maintenance service, for sure we have a solution for you. What are the main advantages of working with us? We propose you cost-oriented solutions. For example, for one of our industrial customers, we were able to reduce maintenance costs by 66% while increasing uptime by 50%. This was achieved via a detailed assessment of their systems and proposing them a customized solution. Our lean organization and strategic partnerships made us possible to propose you very competitive prices within the market. And our expertise and know-how made us a good option for the early stage of a project. Then we could perform the engineering and due diligence to ensure you comply with international and national standards. We have worked with different types of clients, varying from general contractors, freight forwarders, retailers, manufacturers, universities, airports, just to mention some. As I have said before, we have established strategic partnerships with different suppliers of access control, fire systems, and video surveillance systems. We certify and train our personnel in their products and solutions, and we actively monitor the technological developments of these suppliers in order to propose you the latest technology at the best cost. KICSA headquarters are based at Chihuahua City, but we have offices and warehouses in Juarez, Torreón, and Durango. KICSA boosting the safety and security of your facilities. Looking forward to connect with you. Thanks.
Thank you, Cesar and KICSA. Just a reminder once again that if you follow the Q&A section of this live event, you will be able to get the link to each of the companies so that you can learn more and get in touch. Our next presenter, our next speech is María Elena Esquer from Hábitos Buenos, Good Habits. María Elena, you can share your screen.
Yes. Can you see my screen?
Not yet. Almost.
It's coming.
There it is. Just put it in presenter mode and we'll be ready to start.
Hello, I'm María Elena Esquer from Hábitos Buenos, which means habits. Hábitos Buenos had two main achievements since it was founded 34 years ago. It has helped thousands of people to improve something in their lives and many organizations to achieve results in their KPIs. Have you ever wondered how much money you lose due to employee turnover, tardiness, lack of accountability, and dishonesty? Measure it. You will be surprised. For example, turnover impacts every KPI. As you can see, it is possible to reduce it in a short time and with a quantifiable savings using the Avicultura's model. In all three cases, employee involvement and engagement also improve. The Avicultura model works in organizations in every industry of every size. Our clients have seen results after using our model. Technology does not guarantee good results. We know that unless employees are disciplined, accountable, and honest. If we start the training in workplace habits and attitudes when they are still in school and they learn to keep their lives in balance, productivity will be achieved in less time and it will be maintained. There are 3 steps to solve problems such as a lack of accountability, tardiness, lack of discipline, or any problem. First, what we want to have. Second, how we need to be to have it. And third, what behaviors should become habits to achieve and maintain our goals. Easy, right? Everyone wants quick, easy, and effective interventions of Hábitos Buenos. With Avicultura's platform and WhatsApp, that's what we are delivering. Avicultura focuses on 3 large groups. Leaders, so they gain insight and lead towards a culture of well-being and well-doing. Human resources, They facilitate and promote implementation and all the employees so they can improve their quality of life. If you are a company, a funding partner, a chamber, or association interested in driving economic and social development based on the improvement of workforce attitudes and habits, contact us today. Good habits for a better life. I'm Marielena Esquer. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Marielena. If we think of the presentations we have seen thus far, we have many others. They're just a good reminder of the diversity of challenges and opportunities in the manufacturing sector in our region, that they are technical, social, organizational, and it's great that the Bridge Accelerator is bringing together all of these different components into one place where companies can connect with each other and with the big manufacturers in the region. We now continue with Mario Iguado from BIC Industrias. Mario, you can share your screen.
Yeah, okay, just a second, please. Okay, can you see my screen?
Not yet. Almost.
Ready there?
So we see this. The screen is about to come online, but just make sure you choose the presentation to share. You have an option of what to share.
Now, ready?
There you are. Almost ready. There you go. Ready.
Almost.
Ready. Listo.
Okay. Good morning. My name is Mario Iguado. I'm working for BNC Industries. BNC Industries has more than 10 years of experience on the metal mechanics industry that focuses on different manufacturing processes such as machining, coating, and welding processes. Tooling manufacturing in Chihuahua State is currently less than 5% of what local industry requires. Why? First of all, because the big amount of complex parts, also lack of product and tooling validation. Commonly, there are not drawings for machinery and repair spare parts. Also, poor response on time and lack of quality, warranty, and support. We offer solutions through development, manufacturing, and repair. Last year, we developed and produced more than 1,000 different part numbers for the aerospace industry on sheet metal sector. For manufacturing, we mainly spare parts and replacement parts, specialized shape and function. We produce products and spare parts with the complexity on them. For repair, we constantly recover high-cost pieces using different processes as plane spray, arc spray, selective plating, and TIG and MIG welding. Our key differentiators are basically 3D scanners, state-of-the-art laboratory, software programming, reverse engineering, and simulation. High capacity on CNC machinery, additive technology for prototypes, that means 3D printing, qualified engineers and technicians, and ISO 9001 certification. Our business model is focused on direct sales and specialized customer service. Proudly, we can say that our main customers are Bombardier and Prior, Kaman, among others. We are BNC Industry, and here you have the contact information. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you, Mario, from BIC Industries. The next pitch is from Ian Robles from Grupo Rosa. You can share your screen.
Thank you very much. Let me share the screen. So, can you please confirm it's showing?
Not yet.
Not yet.
There you are.
There you are. Okay, great. So, hi, good morning. My name is Ian Robles and I'm representing Grupo Rosa. At Grupo Rosa, our passion is to impact people's lives creating automation solutions. You might have one or more of these common problems in the industry. You might have a manual machinery or with obsolete control which need an update. You might also have a lack of spare parts for the controls of your machines. And the delivery time for those spare parts might take too long. You might also have a lack of specialized technicians and engineers to help you solve the problems from your machines. Or you might also have a lack of specialized training in your staff. These are the solutions to those problems. We can implement a new control for your machines. We can sell you the spare parts for the controls of your machines. And we can serve you, or we can help you with specialized technical support from engineers. We can also create specialized technical courses for your staff. Thanks to us, you'll have all the automation, Thanks to us, you'll have all the information from your machines, which will be useful when you want to integrate them to Industry 4.0. You'll also have a better performance of your machinery. You can have a better technically trained staff, and you'll reduce costs. We have world-class quality in our services. For example, we helped Prismian Group, a cable manufacturer, with the automation and the control for their machines in China and Philippines. We have also worked in the USA. We also helped Leoni Cable, another cable manufacturer, with the commissioning of a new machine when the manufacturers couldn't come from China to Mexico due to COVID restrictions. We also helped Coca-Cola with the automation from their bottling facilities here in Chihuahua State. At Grupo Rosa, we have over 21,000 square feet of infrastructure. We have 26 years on the market. We have 42 people on our staff ready to help you when you need it. And of course, we work with high ethical standards. These are just some of the industry-leading brands that we represent. At Grupo Rosa, you'll have all the automation solutions that you need with a world-class quality and with the support of highly specialized technicians and engineers. I hope we can schedule a meeting to see how we can work together to achieve better results in your industry through automation. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ian and Grupo Rosa. And now we move to our next presenter, who is David Talamantes from DINCO.
Good morning. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Hello, my name is David Talamantes, Commercial Manager of DINCO. We are dedicated to develop processes for the mining industry and products for the oil and gas sector. In fact, there are great business opportunities in the Chihuahua and Texas area for these two sectors. Some of the most important challenges the final customer encounter is the lack of expertise to develop engineering, design, and fabrication. Another challenge is plant interruptions during the expansion works, and a third hazard is to minimize the execution time in the field. Generate precise drawings of existing facilities and locate all tie-ins, allowing us for reduced interruptions to the plants during installation. We model the plants and the process equipment in 3D and is overlaid on the site topography so that we can do a virtual walkthrough of a rendered plant to make sure that it's going to be operator-friendly. Our services to the mining industry include several processes using state-of-the-art technology. In regards to the oil and gas sector, we, in partnership with RigWorks, manufacture and refurbish service rigs for the oil wells with safer designs, increased productivity, decreased downtime, and ultimately more profit for the customer. We recently formalized a joint venture with another Bridge founder, and we are planning to open a new facility in Mexico to increase local content and expand the business. In order to offer an integral solution, we interact with our business allies in the three main stages of the product development process. For instance, on early stages, we rely on KCA to develop feasibility studies, lab testing, and process design, and by the time the execution comes, we are supported by one of the most powerful fabrication software in the market, Steel Projects PLM. The result of these synergies has led to more than 30 systems operating in 2 continents for the last 10 years. And our clients have the satisfaction of knowing that their projects were executed on a plan that is fully powered by the sun. I appreciate very much your time. Our team is ready to tackle any project. If you are interested in any further discussions or potential synergies, I'll be glad to get in contact with you. Thank you.
Thank you, David and Dinko. We continue now with Marco Lerma from GW Integración. Ready? Oh, not yet.
Ready?
Yes, ready to go.
Time is money, and data is money too. Hello, I am Marco Lerma, and I represent GW Integración. We integrate information and communications technology, specialized in cybersecurity. Our goal is to empower your IT team, so your IT team can empower your entire organization. Problems we are facing. 46% of businesses were a victim of a cybersecurity breach or attack in the last 12 months. The estimated cybercrime cost is 6 trillion by 21. And also, we have a new work reality where everyone is remote, everyone is mobile, and everyone is less secure. Now, the question organizations are facing is not if a cyber attack will happen, but when. How we face this problem? Having certified personnel for every proposed solution and allied with industry cybersecurity leaders. We make it cost-effective to protect your business, not just in procurement, but over the life cycle of technology. We protect from all attack surfaces and provide security that is always on, learning and catching threats as they emerge and evolve. We provide design and implementation of IT solutions, managed services, and security assessment. Network perimeter security with next-generation firewalls, cloud email security, and web application firewalls, as well as endpoint security with centralized anti-malware solutions. These are some of our key partners: Cisco, Kaspersky, Honeywell, Fortinet, and Beam, with whom We've protected more than 10,000 devices in more than 500 networks. Since 2015, we've had more than 50 satisfied clients with more than 100 security projects, and we've been recognized as a technical master by multiple cybersecurity key partners. We are proud to work with some of the most important corporations, from retail to mining and manufacturing. And this is our main team. Together, we have more than 25 years of experience implementing IT solutions. We look forward to expand in the manufacturing sector. Let us guide your cybersecurity solutions now. Thank you.
Thank you, Marco Lerma from GW Integración. Our next presenter with his speech is Eugenio Castañeda from CUSI Industrias. You can go ahead and share your screen, Eugenio.
Yeah. Ready?
Ready.
Hello, my name is Eugenio Castañeda. I'm representing CUSI Industries. We are providers of material handling equipment, ranging from small ones, such as bean carts, to big ones, such as heavy-duty manipulators. One of the main problems we found in the assembly lines is that the standard products usually doesn't fit the customer needs. That's why we offer customized handling equipment that will help you increase productivity, reduce time, damages, and accidents by handling more parts quicker, better, and wiser. To solve all these issues, we do research in situ with the end users to define the problem and address it by designing your product using computer-aided design, doing tests, and building prototypes to manufacture the best product for your existing needs. We can also provide the service parts needed and maintenance. Up to date, we design transfer solutions for the mining, food, and logistics industry, but recently we opened 2 new business units. One, to address the existing needs of the COVID-19 pandemic, and the second, to address the needs of the assembly industry. Equipment such as cranes, manipulators, bean carts, and trolleys, just to mention a few. The global market for this industry was at $26 billion in 2018, with a compound annual growth rate of 6.8%. Our competitive advantage is that we follow our customers from the beginning to the end, starting with the problem definition to the service and maintenance of their product. We have the best software and hardware to guarantee our designs, such as PTC Creo Parametric. We can design everything you may need. Take, for instance, our dump truck, which costs less than a third, and it has almost half capacity of the Yuko. This means you can carry the same amount of material using 2 of our trucks, and we are still below the price of 1 Yuko. We're strategically positioned on the high value added and customized market, where we don't have any competitors yet. We have been 45 years doing the best work for our customers, and in the last few years, we have been making $3 million in sales per year. We are proud of having some of the best customers in the region, such as Bimbo, Bafar, and GCC. We have very talented team members, such as our CEO, Antonio, our CFO, Susana, and our production director, Gerardo. We would love to hear from you. Please contact me to solve your material handling problems. Thank you.
Thank you, Eugenio, from Industrias CUSI, CUSI Industries. To finish the third cohort pitches, we have Ileana Núñez from Ripipsa.
Hello, good morning. Can you see my screen?
Not yet. There you are, ready to start.
Ready to start. Great.
We lost your presentation, so if you can share it again.
Okay, of course. Okay, ready?
Ready.
Hello, everyone. I'm Ileana, the Corporate Development Manager at Repipsa, and I'm going to show you how we can help you build the factory of the future. We are the leading distributor for the manufacturing and logistics industry in Mexico. In business since '91, what makes us different is our integral solutions. We are next to every manufacturing hub to provide our customers just-in-time response. In Repipsa, we build the factory of the future, reliably integrating the best technologies to achieve your goals. Industry 4.0 is the cornerstone of our high-quality system integrations. Our processes are ISO certified, and we are recognized for our programs and initiatives on social responsibility. We are partners of the global manufacturing of industrial equipment. It is the talent of our people what makes us the leading provider for production systems for the industry. Through our projects, we build a more productive and sustainable world. We are honest, we think out of the box, we honor our word, we are positive and bold. We are 200 highly qualified associates. Our 2 advanced engineering centers and our certified training center make reliable our projects. We have 12 branch offices, a mining and heavy industry division, and 2 international subsidiaries that make global business easy. The 6 product families in our portfolio go from a single workstation to a fully automated production line with i4.0 technologies. With our aluminum profile, you can build anything you can imagine to make your shop more productive. We recently became a Tier 1 supplier for a global electronics OEM by producing their framing series. Our material handling applications satisfy all intralogistic needs, from the raw material warehouse to the packaging and shipping area. Our mobile robots and cobots tackle all the challenges in your operations related to ergonomics, accuracy, just-in-time, and safety. Our solutions will make i4.0 part of your everyday. Finally, we offer advanced engineering services such as process simulation, virtual and augmented reality to validate our applications. We also provide training in all our technologies. We work with all kinds of manufacturing companies, which gives us the skills and experience required to help you improve your processes. Let's connect and let us take your production to the next level. Thank you.
Thank you, Ileana. You just heard from the participating companies in the 3rd cohort of the Bridge Accelerator, and we will continue shortly with the pitches from companies which participated in the 1st and 2nd cohorts. Before we continue, we have a message from Rodolfo Vázquez, who is the Undersecretary of Innovation and Economic Development for the state of Chihuahua, who has been truly instrumental for the launch and the continued operation of the Bridge Accelerator.
Good morning, everyone. Congratulations to the 3rd generation participants on their pitches. It was very satisfactory to see everyone participating and pushing their companies into this. We appreciate the invitation to the Demo Day event on this Bridge Accelerator, which I had the opportunity to participate on the initial design for this program. And one of the main objectives, and for sure the most important, was to create connection within the industry. So I'll take part of this time to say thank you to all our partners, to start being part of this community, close global partners Fiat Chrysler México, Joaquín Alba, General Motors México, Rogelio Arzate, Toyota México, Lisette Graciada, BMW North America, Kurt Priest, Ford México, Raúl del Campo. And I want to extend these thanks also to the State of Chihuahua Strategic Partners, Aptiv, Arturo Álvarez, Latin America President, Lear, Oscar Dominguez, Mexican Operation President, to our dear partners and sponsors, the TECMA team, Mr. Alan Russell and their team, Manuel Ochoa, Jose Grajeda, Juan Arvilla. American Industries, CEO, Mr. Luis Lara. Cummins, México, Rafael Espinosa, Ignacio Rodríguez. Vitesco en Continental, Pepe Siqueiros, Todd Brown y Ernesto Flores. Bosch, Gauken Carowell, Peter Hauer, and their 4.0 team. A special thanks to the Jubel Mexico Vice President Victor Hernandez for opening me an opportunity for near future projects that I really hope we can make it. Truly appreciate industry leaders supporting direct the program. Male, Miguel Quiñones and Jesús Olivas, Adien, José Javier Nogués, Autocabel, Pedro Yu and Arturo Juárez, Lear, Hugo Martínez, Harman, Jesús Villalobos, and the CEISA team, Mr. Julio Chiu and team. We know the base of the industry coordination are the regional chambers, and we want to thank also Index Chihuahua and Index Juárez and the Southwest organization, Héctor Gutiérrez, Gustavo González, Román Rivas, Luis Carlos Ramírez, Pedro Chavira, and Fabiola Luna. And last but not least, we want to thank you all the Canacintra chambers of the state, with a special remark to the Chihuahua team, who were our partner in crime that helped us to assure the recruitment of the third generation companies to make it happen. I want to close my participation with this short message. The ones we live and speak manufacturing, we plan and execute. Programs like the Bridge, among others running in the state, are trying to fine-tune Mexico economic engines, which is all the SMEC, all the small and medium enterprises. All these programs must be agile, flexible, and innovative. With this, we will assure to set the turbo for the economic reactivation and keep the small and medium enterprises to the pace and speed aligned with the exportation industries into the challenge road, moving from 4.0 industry into 5.0 industry. Lo mejor para todos los participantes y lo mejor para las siguientes generaciones de The Bridge. Gracias por invitarnos a ser parte de este grupo. Excelente día.
Gracias, Rodolfo, y gracias a la Secretaría de Innovación y Desarrollo Económico por su apoyo para este programa y para todos los patrocinadores y los que han apoyado este programa. Thank you, Rudy, and thank you to the Secretariat of Innovation and Economic Development for the support for the program and for your message. So the next part of the program, we have the pitches from the alumni of the Bridge Accelerator. As you heard, this was the third cohort. There have been 2 cohorts prior to this, and some of the companies that have participated are going to be with us today. And I would like to, to add that you are hearing only 3 minutes from each company, but they have committed and devoted an incredible amount of time and effort to get to this point over the course of 12 weeks. About 10 hours a week just in terms of attending the different training sessions and exercises and homework and follow-up. And then, of course, preparing for this event, which, by the way, it's going great. So congratulations and thank you to all the production team of this event. And thank you again to the companies, not only to the sponsors, but to the participating companies, because your commitment to the program is really making it possible to bring the supply chain companies, the small and medium enterprises in our broader region to the next level so they can compete globally. And to get us started with this next part of the program, we have the company PPAP, and we would like to welcome Vicente Delgado. Ready? to start.
Can you hear me there?
Yes.
Good. Okay, so let me then share my screen. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, it's all good.
Okay, hi, I'm Vinny Delgado, CEO of PPAP Manager, a cloud-based solution that enables manufacturing companies to be more efficient by streamlining the workflow of parts approval called PPAP. But what is a PPAP? PPAP stands for Production Part Approval Process. The result is a packet of documents with everything needed to ensure quality on any manufacturing process. It is the mandatory standard in automotive, and also used in electronics, appliance, and aerospace. Just to give you an idea, more than 50 million PPAPs are created in North America in the automotive industry alone. 68% of those are still managed using Excel. How do I know this? Well, for more than 19 years, I work in the industry managing global teams whose main task was to review and approve PPAPs. During this time, I saw many small and medium-sized companies struggling trying to manage their PPAPs using Excel, zip files, and email. This is inefficient and prone to error. The failure in this process represents losses of hundreds of thousands of dollars and severe legal consequences. Combining this expertise with talent in software development and user experience, we develop a cloud-based solution that helps the supplier, the quality and supplier management team to make a better job and focus on the tasks that really matter for an effective PPAP. Our solution not only streamlines the workflow of PPAP's approval, but can also extract metrics and analytics, allowing our customers to reduce costs, make better business decisions, and ensure compliance with the industry standard. It has real-time notifications to enhance communication, can be connected to the customer's legacy systems, all this into an easy-to-use and secure environment. The product is already being used by several companies in North America with outstanding results, from electric vehicle OEMs to power tool manufacturers, and including the traditional automotive companies. They have been able to reduce the PPAP approval time up to 50%. Our business model is simple and affordable for any company size. For a monthly subscription, you can get our service deployed in less than 24 hours without training or implementation fees. You only pay for what you use. In summary, our customers get, for every dollar that our customers invest in us, they get up to $12 of savings in return. Reach us. We invite you to join us and save time and money one PPAP at a time. Reach us during this event and we can get you a free trial of the product. Thank you.
Thank you, Vicente and PPAP. Our next presenter, the next speech is Brenda Nava from Grupo AGA. You can share your screen, Brenda.
¿Pueden ver mi pantalla?
Casi. Listo.
Sí, muy bien.
Adelante.
Buenos días. Hoy más que nunca sabemos que el cuidado del medio ambiente es fundamental para el desarrollo de la sociedad, pero ¿cuántos proveedores necesitas tener para lograr el compliance ambiental? Soy Brenda Nava, gerente comercial de Grupo AGA. Te quiero compartir quiénes somos y a qué nos dedicamos, pero sobre todo los beneficios que nuestros servicios generan a nuestros clientes. En 2008, iniciamos operaciones ofreciendo a la industria maquiladora asesorías en temas ambientales, de seguridad industrial y selección de proveedores. Al poco tiempo, nos percatamos que la mayoría de las empresas dedicadas a estos servicios no tenían el enfoque de cumplimiento normativo. Esto nos motivó a complementar nuestra propuesta de valor de asesoría legal con la prestación directa del servicio y proveeduría de insumos de alta calidad que cumpliera no solo con la función, sino que les permitiera a nuestros clientes tener cumplimiento en sus programas como Industria Limpia y con sus diferentes certificaciones ambientales. Fue así que forjamos los servicios que a día de hoy nos permite tener presencia en más de 200 empresas del ramo industrial y comercial. El manejo integral de residuos no peligrosos con una área mayor de 13,000 metros cuadrados, unidades propias de recolección, capacidad para procesar más de 1000 toneladas al mes, garantizando el manejo y la disposición para cada cliente. Y para aquellos que enfrentan retos con sus residuos, los acompañamos en la búsqueda de soluciones a través de tecnologías innovadoras diseñadas por nuestra área de investigación y desarrollo. Todo esto con un acompañamiento de asesoría legal ambiental y seguridad industrial. Servicio especializado de técnicos ambientales o clasificadores en planta, insumos biodegradables para la limpieza industrial, servicio de sanitización en naves industriales, suministros para la prevención de contagios como gel antibacterial, cubrebocas, químicos desinfectantes, kits de prevención antiviral, entre otros. ¿Qué nos hace diferentes a las empresas en el mercado? Que todos los servicios y artículos que ofrecemos tienen soporte de un equipo de expertos que velan por el cumplimiento normativo, ambiental, social y técnico que requiere la industria. Como miembros del Comité de Ecología Municipal, así como el Consejo de Calidad del Aire México-Estados Unidos, clúster de reciclados, clúster de energía y tener la presidencia de la Asociación de Recicladores, nos permite gestionar políticas y normas públicas que beneficien directamente a nuestros clientes en el área ambiental. Es por ello que buscamos empresas que tengan la pasión y el compromiso del cuidado de la salud, del medio ambiente, que busquen servicios de calidad de manos de profesionales. De ellas queremos ser parte, siendo sus proveedores, siendo parte activa de su equipo de trabajo. Gracias a los clientes que hoy nos acompañan y a todos los que todavía no son parte de ello, les digo, pactemos una cita de negocios y hablemos más de sus necesidades. Muchas gracias.
Thank you, Brenda and Group Paga, for your pitch. Just as a reminder, in the Q&A section, you can find the link to the contact information of any of the companies. Our next presenter is Ricardo Jimenez from Sizing.
Thank you. Okay. Most companies at the moment focus on how to improve their processes and how to dedicate the less time possible to daily activities to obtain better profits. And these are just a couple of reasons why they look for technological solutions. But commonly, these solutions are not well suited for the amount of variation between each business. Hi, my name is Ricardo Jimenez, and I represent Sizing. And today, I'm going to talk about the future that we are experiencing now with digital transformation. When we talk about digital transformation, we encounter that pretty often the solutions tend to be overcomplicated to be able to have a generic solution for the vast amount of existing problems. That the development teams of these solutions are not experts on every process ever made. And when you're looking for a personalized solution, the results are delivered in the latest stage of the project. Considering that, we know that if you want the best transition to the digital era, you need to have personalized solutions to your necessities, something that allows you to innovate and interconnect your company in its unique way, because no matter how hard we try, one size doesn't fit all. What characterizes from the rest are the steps that we follow for the development of solutions. First, we carry out the diagnosis of the process to be transformed. Thus, do we understand the critical variables to make it up? Following like that, we develop the idea, be it developing something new or creating a new integration between existing solutions. And finally, we carry out the implementation of these solutions with your team. Among our achievements stands out the reduction of costs with savings of up to $500 million annually in productive areas with a pre-made solution, but also weekly savings in operational costs equivalent to 9% of the total cost of the company with a personalized integration of software and technological equipment. Our solutions are already implemented with world-class organizations such as Honeywell and other companies leading the electronics, automotive, and medical manufacturing, which in combination have a presence in over 70 countries and more than 200 facilities around the world. Our team combines more than 25 years of experience in manufacturing departments and software technology. Innovation and adaptability are our greatest strengths. We are looking for new customers so we can grow together. It will be a pleasure to work with you and your team. Let's start a new project together. Thank you.
Thank you, Ricardo from Sizing. And we now continue with 8 Masters and Eusebio Martinez. You can share your screen, Eusebio.
Good afternoon, everybody. Have you seen my screen?
We see you, but not your presentation yet.
Oops. Let me see. Is now the screen set?
There you are.
Hello. Okay. Good afternoon. This is Eusebio Martinez, Director of Blade Master Engineering de Mexico. I am here to present a solution for a big problem that we have faced from all Mexico industry history. Let me do it in Spanish. El problema es que los servicios de ingeniería especializada se han venido importando desde que se inició la industria en México, de Europa, Asia o América. Esto ha incrementado los tiempos de entrega, ha puesto en riesgo la producción e incluso ha aumentado los costos, reducido la calidad y, por supuesto, las ganancias. El mercado para el 2018 eran de 26.5 billones de dólares y en el 2018 habían al menos 350 industrias locales que gastaron en ese rubro porque trabajan en la industria del plástico, en la área médica, automotriz, electrónica y eléctrica. ¿Qué es la solución que propone eMaster? Proponemos proveer servicios de ingeniería especializada para reducir los costos de entrega, los tiempos de entrega, los costos de producción y aumentar la eficiencia total del equipo. Esta clase de servicios obviamente va a incrementar la calidad, la satisfacción del cliente y, por supuesto, las ganancias. Los servicios profesionales que ofrecemos se dividen en 3 partes. Uno es la parte de control inteligente, después la parte de tecnología de plásticos y la parte de diseño mecánico. En la parte de tecnología de plásticos, servicios profesionales de entrenamiento, metodología de validación de moldes, fabricación de fines de brazo y la tecnología 4.0 para el servicio de control inteligente. Nuestro modelo de negocios es vender los servicios especializados de los cuales hemos hablado y también ofrecer el servicio de fabricación de equipo automático para prueba y ensamble. Hemos adoptado el mercado a través del programa de Bridge Accelerator, por supuesto, las redes especializadas de negocios y el clúster de manufactura avanzada del cual somos socios. Por ahora tenemos 3 socios estratégicos y pronto tendremos alguno más. Algunos de nuestros clientes son Continental BRP, Whitman, Power Products, Molex, Stoneridge, etc. Nuestra ventaja competitiva es que ofrecemos soporte técnico y tecnología aplicada para validación de moldes, calificación de equipo, ingeniería de calidad y diseño robusto. Nuestros clientes se verán beneficiados por un soporte técnico, un servicio postventa, una asistencia total desde su diseño hasta su validación y todo a precios competitivos. De hecho, hoy mismo estamos en una compañía dándoles el soporte. Nuestra experiencia garantiza seguridad primero para nuestros asociados, para nuestros clientes y, por supuesto, para todos los que forman el equipo. Y entregas a tiempo, más de 25 años de experiencia. ¿Qué buscamos? Siempre buscamos nuevos talentos, buscamos clientes, asociados estratégicos y coaching, como nos los ofreció el programa de Bridge Accelerator. Somos eMaster Engineering de México. Nos especializamos en tecnología de plásticos, en control inteligente y diseño mecánico. Muchas gracias. Buenas tardes a todos.
Muchas gracias, Eusebio. Thank you, Eusebio, from 8 Masters Engineering. And our next presenter, the next speech, is Edrey Mendez from BEPC. Edrey, you can share your screen.
Sí, buenos días, enseguida.
Gracias.
Ya lo pueden ver, ¿verdad?
Ya casi.
Ya casi. Muy bien. Tú me dices.
Adelante.
Muy bien. Muy bien. Buenos días. Hola, ¿qué tal? Mi nombre es Edreí Méndez. Soy gerente de nuevo negocio de BPC. Tengo 5 años trabajando en esta compañía y pues voy a platicarles un poquito de lo que nosotros hacemos. En nuestra experiencia hemos visto que las organizaciones o industrias, uno de los principales problemas que tienen es la ejecución de proyectos. Existen muchas razones por las cuales no llegan a ejecutar estos proyectos. Incluso normalmente son retrasos. Y estos retrasos, pues el costo es muy, muy alto, millones y millones de dólares. Algunas de las razones por las cuales se retrasan, una de ellas es el talento especializado, porque no lo tienen, o a lo mejor sí lo tienen, pero pues los tienen ubicados en otras tareas del día a día. Otra es la contratación de estos, de sus recursos humanos. Normalmente son procesos muy, muy tardados.
Estoy en el área de plásticos.
Es que escucho a alguien hablar. Bueno, voy a continuar. Según LinkedIn, hay una cifra de contrataciones. Normalmente se tarda de 1 a 4 meses. Entonces, si tu proyecto lo tienes, no sé, para ejecutarlos en 6 meses, probablemente ya vas tarde para realizarlos. ¿Qué hacemos? Bueno, realmente BPC es una empresa muy flexible. Hacemos abarcamos muchas áreas, pero voy a hablarles de algunas principales, como servicios de ingeniería. Podemos ejecutar proyectos de empaque, proyectos de validación, remediación. En la cuestión de operaciones y manufactura, podemos hacer validaciones de software, obviamente el project management para poder ejecutarlos. Y en el área de calidad, pues obviamente podemos hacer investigaciones de capa, la documentación, el regulatorio, compliance, etcétera. Me gusta mucho platicar de la flexibilidad de BPC porque ahorita les puse algunos proyectos, pero la verdad es que hay muchísimas áreas. Incluso hay clientes que nos habían solicitado traducciones de documentos, tenían muchísimos documentos que traducir y decían, oye, ¿puedes hacerme este proyecto? Tengo que entregarlos en 5 meses y lo hicimos. Entonces, realmente somos muy flexibles. ¿Qué cosas tú puedes tener seguridad en BPC? Pues obviamente que vas a tener a los candidatos calificados con el perfil y las características necesarias que tú requieres para tu proyecto. Tenemos una meta que son 48 horas para elegir a este talento. Obviamente pueden ser consultores que ya están trabajando con nosotros o a lo mejor buscar un talento en otro lugar del mundo o tal vez en otro estado donde tú quieres ejecutar tu proyecto. Algo bien importante es que no hay ningún tipo de riesgo laboral. ¿Por qué? Porque nuestros consultores son empleados de BPC. Ellos solamente van a entrar, ejecutar el proyecto con tiempo determinado y salen y nosotros los ubicamos en otro proyecto. ¿Cómo lo hacemos? Es muy, 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 muy sencillo. La verdad es que esto puede variar de cliente porque cada cliente, cada empresa tiene procesos diferentes y nosotros nos acomodamos a la manera en que ellos trabajen. Pero pues esto es como que el estándar que manejamos. El primer punto es pues, la definición del proyecto. Nos juntamos con nuestro cliente, vemos qué es lo que necesita, capacidades, necesidades, tiempo. Obviamente lo definimos, hacemos una propuesta y nuestro cliente dice, ok, vamos a empezar a correr este proyecto. La selección y el onboarding es muy importante. Ahí sí queremos que nuestro cliente participe. ¿Por qué? Porque son consultores que van a estar trabajando con ellos en cierto tiempo y es importante esa conexión. La tercera, pues, es la ejecución. Obviamente ya tenemos un tiempo determinado, empezamos a ejecutar las fases del proyecto utilizando las herramientas necesarias para lograr el fin del proyecto, ¿no? ¿Cómo es esto? Pues nuestros consultores son especializados en Six Sigma, mejora continua, Black Belt, etcétera. Ellos van a utilizar todo lo que sea necesario. Y por último, pues obviamente entregar el proyecto. El proyecto se entrega con los entregables que se hablaron en un principio. Si hay que entregar documentación, presentación, a lo mejor un análisis, todo se hace al final para completarlo. Las capacidades de BPC, pues somos una empresa internacional. Tenemos capacidades en Estados Unidos, hemos hecho transferencias de Miami a Juárez, de Juárez a China. Realmente es una empresa con una capacidad mundial. Les platico un poquito de nuestro equipo. Nuestro equipo es súper apasionado, es gente súper experimentada. La verdad es que en conjunto con diferentes personalidades hacemos un equipo bien dinámico y y esa dinámica la ponemos, el empeño en estos proyectos que nosotros ejecutamos para nuestros clientes. Entonces yo te invito a que si ahorita tienes un proyecto que no has logrado concluir, un proyecto que está parado por alguna razón, nos des la oportunidad de hacerte una evaluación, de hacerte un análisis, una propuesta. Yo te aseguro que va a haber algo que podamos agregar de valor. Eso es todo, muchas gracias y pues felices fiestas.
Gracias, Edrey. Thank you, Edrey, from BEPC. Our next presenter, the next speech is Guillermo Asiain from Insights. Listo. Estás en mute, Memo. Adelante.
Bueno. ¿Ahí me escuchan?
Sí.
Ok, perfecto. Disculpa, Carlos. Imagine saving $400,000 on a single project. Well, that's the data advantage. We are Insights, and we use big data and self-learning predictive models to make that happen in the manufacturing industry. How we do it is not that hard. We gather data from the past, data that has to do with the employees, the operations, the environment, and many other factors. And then we analyze it in the present to propose statistical proven projects that are going to impact your organization right away. But that's where the magic starts. We're going to develop live dashboards and alert together with predictive analytics so you can be a step ahead of the problem you're trying to solve. In summary, we gather data from the past, we analyze it in the present, and we predict the future so you can have a competitive advantage. We've been able to reduce overtime by 23%, attrition and turnover from 32 to 50% with savings around $400,000 per year. We were able to produce a predictive safety key performance indicator for a global automotive company in 4 different continents. We've been working with small, medium, and large plants. How we do it is not that hard. You can go into the traditional plan on which you pay a monthly fee, or you can go into our success fee program, on which basically you're gonna pay on the savings that are generated. Isn't it that fantastic? Well, we've been lucky enough of working with Fortune 500 companies already. For example, we worked Bosch on a COVID forecasting model, with Johnson & Johnson, a talent tool, and many other stuff that we have done. We have more than 24 years in business intelligence, more than 20 years in the manufacturing operation, and more than 10 years in project implementation inside at your service. There's a saying that says that data will tell, but only if we're willing to listen. Together, we can listen. We can reduce the time to do the analysis. We can provide the talent. We can get the data and put it to speak for you and propose specific action so you can generate additional savings. Imagine the possibilities of knowing when a quality problem is going to happen before it does, when a safety incident is going to occur before it does, which employees are going to quit or which ones are the better to hire. Imagine knowing which machines will improve with their efficiency, but knowing this in advance. Well, let's go from imagination to reality. We are Insights. I'm Emasian from Insights, and we use big data and self-learning predictive models to generate savings of $400,000 per year in the manufacturing industry. Reach us to find a way to generate savings for you.
Thank you, Guillermo and Insights, for your presentation. Just a reminder, you can find not only the companies that are presenting, but past companies too. The links and more information in the Q&A section. The next presenter, the next speech is Walter Marroquín from Multiimpresos Sanders.
Hola, un segundito. Subimos la presentación. ¿Listos?
Adelante.
¿Me veo?
Sí, adelante.
Perfecto. Hola, soy Walter, pero no el de las estrellas. Soy Walter Marroquín de Multiimpreso Sanders. En Sanders nos dedicamos a la impresión de empaque, como manuales, instructivos, empaque ligero y labels. Tenemos una tradición de 130 años como impresores. Mi abuelo fue empresario de periódico. Mi padre fundó la empresa en 1962 y mi hermano Charlie y yo la adquirimos en los años 90. Sabemos los retos que tienes en tu planta de manufactura. Tener demasiados proveedores te eleva los costos más gastos por la logística. Tienes exceso de inventario hasta en un 25% y recibes entregas tarde de un 5 a un 20% en tus pedidos. Nuestra solución está en la variedad de empaque impreso y en que como proveedor local te ahorramos en logística y en rotación de inventarios. También te reducimos el inventario y el lead time con análisis de data. Con nuestro software de reorden tienes un backup para anticipar problemas, respuesta rápida con nuestro Gemba Service. Innovamos desarrollando ERP y aplicaciones para medir en tiempo real las órdenes de trabajo. Estas soluciones han hecho que seamos los favoritos para nuestros clientes de clase mundial, algunos de ellos desde hace 58 años. Lo que nos hace diferentes es el imprimir de todo y variado. Esto ayuda a consolidar la proveeduría local, reduciendo riesgos y recuperando hasta un 20% de dinero de tu sistema. Entregas 100% just in time, reducción hasta un 20% de inventario y respuesta rápida de una pieza a 1 millón, apoyando proyectos y cambios imprevistos. Algunos resultados significativos son 0 complaints y 100% entregas a tiempo desde 2011. Somos una empresa socialmente responsable, innovadores y desarrolladores de software. Contamos en nuestro equipo con colaboradores con 30 años de experiencia. Son 21 héroes de planta y 10 aliados técnicos freelance. Su desarrollo humano integral es nuestra convicción. Miren, nos apasiona servir. Mi padre siempre decía, vamos a servir con entusiasmo. Hay que ayudar al cliente a resolver sus problemas. Y siempre llamaba a la acción diciendo, Action People. Y ese es el llamado a ustedes para superar sus retos con Sanders. Action People.
Thank you, Walter and Multiimpreso Sanders. We now continue with Victor Corella from AMN Quality Solutions. Adelante. Estás en mute.
Hello.
Listo.
Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. I'm Victor Corella with AMN Quality Solutions. We're the solution. We're the solution you need. AMN Quality Solutions has more than 30 years experience offering diverse solutions to the transformation industry, from quality assurance to manufacturing. When the pandemic began, we knew the industry and the world would change. So would our company. We thank the Bridge Accelerator for giving us the tools to identify and adapt to new challenges. So I'm excited to present Purify AMN, Microbial Risk Assessment. The challenges we're facing right now is, one, what happens 10 minutes after a convenient disinfection service? Well, let me tell you, once the solution has dried up, new microorganisms can be reintroduced and proliferate in that area, creating unsafe and unhygienic levels. The second challenge is, now that the companies are looking forward going back to the workforce, how are you going to protect your employees from cross-contamination in your facility? Purify offers our customers peace of mind, integrating a proactive coding, in the surfaces, which creates a shield capable of killing microbes for an extended period of time, reducing cross-contamination in your facility. Our solutions include certification of areas or lab testing, where we test and measure the biocontamination in your facilities with a portable lab. Our purification and control services is similar. We do testing, we implement our coding, apply the protective shields, and we do weekly lab testing to monitor the shield's efficiency. And lastly, our personal protection products that offer a lasting 6-hour protections in your hands. Our state-of-the-art technology portable lab helps us identify the risk of infection in real time in your facilities. Our purification services involve a rigorous 7-step process in which we implement 2 hospital-grade solutions, which creates this lasting shield on surfaces lasting up to 60 days. The data that we collect through these services are presented on the QR code in your certificate in 2 interactive portals, in which one you can monitor your historic results and see upcoming events. And the second portal is a 5-star rating system in which we evaluate the biocontamination in your facilities. Our solutions can be implemented in your facility, gymnasiums, churches, and even in the transportation industry. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Victor, from AMN Quality Solutions. Next, we will hear the pitch from Parallax and Daniel Ramirez.
Thank you. Do you hear me?
Yes, we're still waiting for your presentation.
Do you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Ready.
Hello, I'm Daniel Ramirez, Sales Manager for Parallax. Today, I want to talk to you about how to promote this platform, a technology that combines virtual tools with augmented reality in order to save time. And let's imagine a production line which has an automated machine that suddenly fails, causing the production to stop. The company begins to lose money, and you need to fix this right away. The specialist lives thousands of miles away, and besides, he cannot travel because of the pandemic situation that we are experiencing. Then, what can we do to solve the problem? The answer is Parallax. Thanks to the technology that the augmented reality lenses offer us, we can place a virtual expert in front of the problem, helping the technician to perform complex processes using virtual tools such as share desk, voice, draw mode, pointer, chat, among others, and all this regardless of the distance. Our mission is to help companies to reach the production goals, no matter what, improving problem-solving turnaround time. You may wonder what's the difference between Parallax and the social network that allow making video calls, and the answer is simple. The virtual tools and augmented reality potentializes the solutions as they allow us to be very specific in the required actions. They also enable the technician to work hands-free, being this of great value to our users. Our platform is very easy to use. Our clients get a license that allows them to access the different modalities, either as an expert giving directions to solve a problem, or as a technician in front of the machine. We have many satisfied customers that has given us a vote of confidence, and they dare to live in the past the traditional methods. Nowadays, they have a shift to improve their response time up to 70%. giving solution to a problem that took them days to fix it in just a few hours. In Parallax, we care about developing creative and technological solutions in order to help our customers. Our team of almost 50 specialists is motivated every day to contribute to the work with new technology. I'm looking forward to talk with each one of you and show you what we are doing and how we will change the world with technology. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Daniel. Our next pitch is Jose Gerardo from G Labels.
Good morning. Thank you, Carlos, for the introduction. Folks,
just give 30 seconds for your video and presentation to come online.
So you want me to wait?
Just share your presentation. I don't know if you did already.
There you go. Is that working?
Sí, yeah, ready.
Thank you, Carlos, for the introduction. Folks, time is a very precious commodity, and once it's gone, we can't get it back. Good morning. My name is Jose Gerardo, President of General Labels and Printing in El Paso, Texas, better known as G Labels. Please allow me to share a short story with you about my life. A few years ago, I left a job in a label printing company in order to start my own. What drove me to this was that I saw labeling that was expensive, had limited flexibility, and did not communicate effectively at all, and whose quality could vary greatly with each other. Which order? As back then, the label printing industry was over 80% dependent on operator skills and only about 20% on a structured process. And it is because of this that we have worked relentlessly to reverse those practices and decrease the dependency on human interaction. We do this by deploying the most advanced technologies such as ESCO automation, our front-end automated engine for artwork, processing, and design, our digital print plates, the first in the border region, high-speed inkjet printing, also a first in the region, and our own in-house design laser cut finishing system and processes, along with inline variable printing and artificial intelligence applied to our 100% print quality verification. All of these, folks, a first for our border area. These efforts have taken many years of continuous improvement practices, which have led us to deploy software types like LabelTrax, which is the industry-leading MIS ERP system that forms the framework of our business. Throughout this time, we also attained internationally recognized certifications such as ISO 9000. We've had it for over 20 years now, 14,000, UL standards compliant, and Graphic Measures International, being General Labels, the only company that holds that registration within the 500-mile radius of El Paso, along with many others. At G Labels, we have embraced the Flexographic Technical Association Specifications Program, a very, very highly specialized training and development process that ensures that our team is prepared for any future challenges as G Labels continues to expand this business on a global scale. And with the cooperation of people and companies around the world, we are able to provide products that identify, provide safety information, as well as communicate important aspects sought after by brand managers, or even help you track your luggage and packages to make sure that they get to their destination through the use of our smart radio frequency labels, a feature that is also unique to General Labels. Other applications that we have developed for some of our partners have helped protect the environment too, enabling them to return well over 80 million toner cartridges to collection centers around the world for recycling, saving about 320 million pounds of landfill. Folks, that's almost 15 times the weight of the Eiffel Tower. Quite a feat for this partnership with this company. At G-Labels, we're always looking to partner with other like-minded individuals and companies so that together we can further explore possibilities that impact not just the way we do business, but also the way we live, especially today. Since now we can create and print labels from the moment that we receive your files to the actual time we can print in under 3 minutes. A unique feature for general labels because technology is there now and also because time is a very precious commodity. We are G-Labels, quality that sticks.
Thank you, Jose Gerardo and G-Labels. Our next presenter is Rafael Rucobo, who will give us the pitch for Human Tech.
Human Tech. Hello, good morning. ¿Sí me escucho? Good morning.
We're missing your video.
Okay.
We see the presentation, but not you. There you are.
Hello.
Listo.
¿Ya me ven?
Ya.
¿La presentación se ve?
Sí, todo bien.
Es que no estoy viendo el mismo, pero bueno, a ver.
Todo bien.
Okay. Hello, good morning. I'm Rafael Rucobo, representing Human Tech. Human Tech helps companies to implement technology for human resources departments and others where the human talent is involved. ¿Sí está viendo la presentación?
Sí, pero la puedes poner en modo de presentación para que se vea en toda la pantalla.
Sí, claro. Algo está pasando aquí con el Canva, pero voy a seguir.
Adelante.
Okay, currently in the use and implementation of software for human resources management, there are several changes from non-integral platforms and non-connected databases, expensive platforms, and Mexico payroll compliance issues also. Okay. Muy lentos. Okay. Now, most of the workforce has a smartphone or a computer. This can be used as a two-way communication channel between the employee and the human resources department. We must be ready with scalable platforms towards these trends. Proposition is based on several successful cases with our clients base, where we have attended to specific needs to automate processes in the human resources area. The Bridge has been a platform that was helped Human Tech to strengthen his proposal, and therefore we have increased our income by 100% in 2020 and generate many new clients. Our platform scope We have employee record, time and attendance administration, payroll, Mexican payroll, training records, COVID records, employee portal, management dashboard, Social Security, Infonavit, and Mexican IRS Act compliance. This is some of our clients, some mix from Industria Maquiladora and National Industry. Thank you very much. We are based in Ciudad Juárez at Technology Hub. Thank you.
Thank you, Rafael from Human Tech. And with that, we conclude the pitches from the third demo day of the Bridge Accelerator. Congratulations to all the companies, the business leaders, the entrepreneurs who presented today. Remember to visit the website, thebridge-community.com/places, where you will find it in the Q&A section to schedule a meeting with any of the companies that you learned from today. Now we will hear from Omar Saucedo, who will give us the closing words. Omar is the manager for Microsoft TechSpark Community Engagement in Ciudad Juárez.
Muchas gracias, Carlos. Muy buenos días a todos. Good morning, everyone. It's great to be broadcasting from this powerful region. We are in the epicenter of the binational relationship between Mexico and the United States. And we are living an era that opens new horizons and new opportunities. But just if we speak a language that includes technology, creativity, and collaboration, so that we can deliver new solutions and more value added that customers are needing and are expecting worldwide. In this era, the concepts of flexibility, speed, and innovation become much more relevant. And the only way to achieve them is by empowering our collaborators to use their talent as they master digital skills. Thank you all for being part of this community, for helping us empower our organizations and our persons achieve more. I invite you to stay linked and help us keep on building this alive and great binational collaboration platform that we call the Bridge Accelerator. Happy holidays to all, and God bless you. Have a great day.